Now let's talk about salvage pathway. So salvage pathway is very easy pathway. What happens in salvage pathway? Recycle. So you know recycle. What is recycled? Base is recycled. So you can salvage pathway is present in brain and bone marrow. You know bone marrow is very important for synthesis of RBC. Always very high rate of DNA synthesis, RNA synthesis is going on there. More faster than this brain. Bone marrow has very high rate of synthesis. That is why bone marrow don't spend its energy synthesizing new purine pyrimidine. Liver works for bone marrow. So it outsources its activity to liver. So this bone marrow outsources its activity because it is very busy in synthesizing DNA, RNA. So bone marrow outsources its activity to liver. And brain is also like king of your body. And that is why brain also outsources its function. So that is how you can remember. So these two outsource its function of purine synthesis to liver. Don't spend time in synthesizing purine and pyrimidine. Why purine? Brain, because brain require energy, and you know ATP is energy. Energy, other type of regulation. That is why brain consume very high amount of nucleotide, because brain is very high amount of energy is consumed by brain for maintenance of its activity. And then bone marrow for DNA synthesis. So this is the significance why brain and bone marrow does not have this de novo synthetic pathway. It has only salvage pathway because it outsources its function of de novo purine synthesis. So remember brain and bone marrow. Now, so you can see purine bases. See this purine bases degraded from RNA, DNA. First see. So when you see degradation pathway, so RNA and DNA will be degraded to this nucleotide. So if you consider this degradation pathway, so what is the nucleases will DNAs and RNAs? DNAs and RNAs will break all this. Will break this DNA. So nucleotide again will be metabolized by. So what will happen? You know, in nucleotide there is every nucleotide there is an N-glycosidic bond. There is N-glycosidic bond here. There is N-glycosidic bond. So this N-glycosidic bond, so let me draw like this only, so you will understand purine and pyrimidine. So N-glycosidic bond will be there. So this N-glycosidic bond will be broken by, every glycosidic bond will be broken, as you have seen in a glycosidic bond is in glycogen breakdown. You will see, we will talk about that. It is broken by phosphorylase. I have told you in enzyme topic. So this will be done by phosphorylase enzyme, PN phosphorylase. Break this bond, glycosidic bond, and then there will be sugar and base formation. Sugar and base formation will be there, and this base will be recycled into nucleotide, and then nucleotide will form this. So this recycling process is called salvage pathway. Okay, so we will talk about this pathway. How base is added to this sugar? How base is added to sugar, and this becomes nucleotide. So we will talk about this pathway. Okay, so remember these two pathways. This is general for guanine and adenine. Adenine has one extra step. Adenine has one extra step. So what happens in adenine? This from adenine nucleotide will convert into, there will be deaminase step. ADA step, okay, and then this after ADA it will form IMP, and then it follows like this. Same thing comes. So adenine has one extra step, otherwise one step and then two step. You will see the breakdown of this. Adenine has 3 steps. So remember this ADA also, because we require this ADA. So nucleotide breakdown pathway, did you understand? I will repeat. I want to repeat because I know you. So this is DNA, or it can be RNA. So DNA, RNA will be broken down into nucleotide. nucleotide has an glycosidic bond. What will happen is, let's stop purine. This is purine. Purine structure, you know, this is purine structure. So this is purine, this is an glycosidic bond. So this is done by this is the chain of this pure nucleotide. So this is nucleotide, the DNA, RNA will be broken down by DNase and RNase by this. Now there will be broken down of this bond. So this bond will be broken down by PNP, phosphorylase. PNP will break this into sugar, phosphate, and then plus purine. This purine will be, again, this purine, what happens? Two different process will react. This purine will loaded on this in brain and bone marrow through a different salvage path, and it will form nucleotide. This is salvage path. Let me write it. This is salvage path, and this nucleotide will ultimately form DNA. You will see a little bit of opposite process of this. But in adenine, there is one extra step. There will be deamination step like this. Okay, deamination step. What will happen? This will result from AT. This is AMP to IMP, and then IMP to same thing. This is done by ADA. Adenosine deaminase. ADA. And deficiency of ADA will cause SCID, severe combined immunodeficiency. This is one of the disorders. So understand this, and you can understand this. So what will have, this is called ADA, adenosine deaminase. Okay. So now, so it utilized to save fuel in bone and brain marrow. So you can see only two enzymes are there. Here you will see from what is, this is base, this is also base. This is adenine is also base, hypoxanthine and guanine. These are three base. So you can see adenine, this base is transferred, this is sugar. This sugar, PRPP, is nothing but we call it activated sugar. PRPP is activated sugar. You know what is this sugar activated? This is ribose 5-phosphate. When 5-phosphate, two more phosphate group here. This is activated sugar. That is on activated sugar only the foundation is added. This is foundation. On this foundation, the whole building is transferred. So what is the difference between this salvage pathway? So you know this is the foundation is there. Foundation is PRPP in both foundation is PRPP, but in de novo synthesis, the whole building is made from scratch. The whole building is made from scratch, like this. First this is made, and then whole building is made. But in this recycling, the building is actually this container is taken from somewhere else, and it will be a fresh container, whole container is added like. Okay, so you can see here the whole building is being transferred. Their synthesis from scratch. So on PRPP, both places foundation is PRPP. So from on PRPP, adenine is added. This becomes AMP. So this is transferred from phosphor. This is phosphoribosyl is transferred here. This is called phosphoribosyl transfer to adenine. So this is adenine phosphoribosyl transfer. Everywhere you will see PRT, phosphoribosyl transferase. PRT. Sometimes you will find addition of S. Even if you don't write, no problem. Addition of S. Just remember PRT. Here also PRT. So adenine is transferred. That is why adenine phosphoribosyl transferase. Here, hypoxanthine and guanine transfer is done by same enzyme. That is why this is called HGPRT. Did you get that? Okay. So this is the whole process is called HGPRT. You can see, and this enzyme, actually, what is the clinical significance here? This HGPRT deficiency will cause Lesch-Nyhan syndrome. It is X-linked. This the gene for this enzyme is present on X chromosome. X chromosome. When a defect in this gene happens, this will lead to Lesch-Nyhan syndrome. Lesch-Nyhan syndrome. So Lesch-Nyhan syndrome. And you know, if this whole thing is not synthesized, if this enzyme is absent, so brain will not have this. So you know what will happen in brain. So that is why everything, the problem you will see in brain, you will see ataxia type of self-mutilation. So pain will not be perceived by patients. So that is a self-mutilation. Baby will bite nails. Developmental, mental retardation, developmental will also not be there proper because DNA synthesis is affected both in brain and bone marrow. So how do you expect this development will be normal? Body development is also not normal. Brain development, pain sensation is not there. So you will see all this problem because of lack of DNA synthesis, because of lack of ATP recycling, because of lack of other thing in brain and bone marrow. Okay. So in a nutshell, I made you understand. You can understand nicely there because it is X-linked. So problem will happen more in male child. Okay. So this is the significance of this salvage pathway.